Meghan Markle and Prince Harry's reported $100 million advance from Netflix has been disputed by an expert. After stepping down from full-time royal duties in 2020, the Sussex royals signed a deal with the streaming giant worth a reported $100 million £82,005,000, via their Archewell Productions studio. After months of speculation, trailers have been released for a docu-series about the Duke and Duchess. Royal commentator Neil Sean was asked about the reported $100 million the Sussex royals have been paid by Netflix, but rubbished claims the streaming service would pay them that much. "There's speculation they've paid $100 million. Trust me, Netflix are not that stupid. They've been paid in advance, but this really all hinges now on whether we watch it, download it, stream it, whatever we do. Now, judging by the trailer that's been released so far, the dislikes outweigh the likes." Mr. Sean also told Fox News in an interview, "What I quite liked about it was, for me it was like one of those bad movies, the cult classics where you think, oh no, really?" The expert also questioned what's Harry protecting his family from, before firing back, "Some people might suggest Meghan." He then said, "The bottom line is, what is he protecting? It's ridiculous, high camp humor, but the bottom line is it all really hinders on whether you and me will watch it. But will we?" Surviving roommates' heartfelt tributes to murdered Idaho students. It comes after the full trailer for the Duke and Duchess of Sussex's Netflix documentary series was released today. In the clip from Harry and Meghan, the Duke is heard suggesting that there were stories planted against Meghan during their time as senior members of the royal institution. "There's a hierarchy of the family," he says in the trailer. "You know, there's leaking, but there's also planting of stories." Volume 1 of the series will be available on Thursday, December 8, with Volume 2 to follow the following week on December 15. After signing the deal with Netflix, the Duke and Duchess said they plan to create content that informs but also gives hope. They shared in an official statement, "As new parents, making inspirational family programming is also important to us." Harry and Meghan added that the unprecedented reach of Netflix will help them share impactful content that unlocks action. Prisoner strangled to death during violent restraint by 6 guards. Domestic terrorism plunges 47,000 North Carolina homes into darkness. Police officer killed in horror car crash.